Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. You might think a battery-powered outdoor camera can't stay sharp all night, yet this unit proves the opposite. Field data shows the dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connection held a crystal-clear live feed even when the neighborhood router was clogged with streaming guests, eliminating the dreaded lag. In one real-life test, a family placed the camera on a driveway with no power source, and the 6-month battery kept recording delivery packages at 2 a.m. without a single recharge. Confirming the claim of ultra-long endurance, the built-in spotlight delivered true full-color night vision, capturing a neighbor's license plate and a wandering cat in vivid detail, while IP66 weatherproofing shrugged off an overnight thunderstorm without a glitch. Verdict: perfect for tech-savvy homeowners who demand reliable, high-definition watchfulness from a remote, power-free spot.